Hello friends, welcome you all to my channel Study Letical. Let's start current affairs of 31st August. First news is Department of Economic Affairs and UNDP India launched Sustainable Finance Collaborative to promote sustainable finance in India. UNDP along with Department of Economic Affairs launched SFC. Department of Economic Affairs works under Ministry of Finance. स्टैटिक फैक्ट्स हैं यूएनडीपी के एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आचे मिस्टीनो, हेडक्वार्टर न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए। आईटी मिनिस्टर रविशंकर प्रसाद ने लॉन्च किया है चुनौती नेक्स्ट जनरेशन स्टार्टअप कॉन्टेस्ट। इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ 95 करोड़ रुपीज़ प्रोग्राम जो कि 3 साल के लिए होगा। विल हंट अराउंड 300 startups working in identified areas and to provide them seed funds of up to 25 lakh rupees. The minister also laid foundation stone of Digital Training and Skilling Center of National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology at Muzaffarpur in Bihar, which will be developed by ministry at a cost of 9.17 crore rupees. Union Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal addresses inaugural session of World Urdu Session. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is Union Minister of Education. This ministry, formerly known as Human Resource Development HRD Ministry. This conference is organized by National Council for Promotion of Urdu Language. India granted fourth tranche of $5 million to Myanmar for India-Myanmar border area development. This includes infrastructure and socio-economic development in Chin state and Naga self-administered region. MOU was signed by ex-Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh in 2012, according to which India would grant a total of $25 million to Myanmar, which is divided into 5 tranches of $5 million each annually starting 2017. Static facts are Myanmar, Naypyidaw, currency Kyat, President Win Mint. Kerala will set up IWTC, India's first international women trade center, in accord with the Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations. ये कहाँ डेवलप होगा? अंगापल्ली, कोची, केरला में। हमारे स्टैटिक फैक्ट्स हैं नेशनल पार्क है एराविकुलम, साइलेंट वैली, पंपादम शोला एंड मथिकेटन अनामुदी शोला। India Singapore commit to further enhance security partnership at 4th India Singapore Defence Policy Dialogue. During the DPD, the implementing arrangement on humanitarian assistance and disaster relief was signed between the two countries. Our static facts are Singapore के Prime Minister Lee Hsien Loong, currency Singapore dollar, and SIMBEX is the annual India-Singapore Naval Compact exercise. Union Minister Piyush Goyal virtually attended the 8th East Asia Summit Economic Ministers meeting. Meeting was chaired by Tran Tuan An, Minister of Industry and Trade of Vietnam. From Indian side, it was attended by Piyush Goyal ji. Our static facts are Secretariat Indonesia Jakarta, Chairman Chuan Phuc and Secretary General is Jock Hui. India co-sponsors UNSC resolution for greater participation of women in peacekeeping forces. The resolution was tabled by Indonesia, has been seconded by India, which is fifth largest troop contributor to UN peacekeeping operations. India ranked 72nd on global list with average monthly wage of 32,800, where Switzerland tops, according to Picodi.com. India ranked 72nd among 106 countries with an average monthly wage of 32,800 rupees. The ranking has been topped by Switzerland, where the average wage converted into rupees amount to 4,49,000 rupees. Kiran Rijiju, Sports Minister, attends Sports Ministers meeting of BRICS nation. India to host BRICS Games 2021 with Khelo India Games. Noor Inayat Khan, Britain's World War II spy, became the first Indian origin woman to honored with a Memorial Blue Plaque. She is the first Muslim war heroine of Britain and first female wireless operator sent from UK into Nazi-occupied France to aid the French resistance during World War II. हमारे स्टैटिक फैक्ट्स है इंग्लिश हेरिटेज के हेडक्वार्टर्स हैं इंग्लैंड एंड चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव केट मावर. SBI has won the award in the HCM Spring program. SBI to receive Human Capital Management Excellence Award 2020 for its HR initiative, Nai Disha. The HCM program under Excellence in Learning and Development in 3 categories. Static facts are SBI Headquarter Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chairman Rajneesh Kumar. China launches most advanced warship type 054 class for Pakistan Navy. The Type 054 class frigate is manufactured by China Shipbuilding Trading Company Limited and was launched in Chinese state-owned Hudong Zhonghua Shipyard, Shanghai. Static facts are Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan, capital Islamabad, currency rupee. China President Xi Jinping, capital Beijing, currency renminbi. Ares discovered the accelerated formation of the stars of dwarf galaxies. Ares refers to Aryabhatta Research Institute of Observational Sciences, Nainital. Ares astronomers Dr. Amitesh Omar and Dr. Sumit Jaiswal from Department of Science and Technology of Ares, Nainital discovered the aberration in the formation of the stars in dwarf galaxies. Our static facts are Autonomous Research Institute of the Department of Science and Technology, Director Dipankar Banerjee, location Nainital, Uttarakhand. Bryan Brothers successful doubles player in tennis announced retirement. Bryan Brothers, 42 years old identical twins Robert Charles Bob Bryan and Michael Carl Mikey Bryan, the most successful American doubles tennis players, announced their retirement. Obituary news are Vasant Kumar, Congress MP and founder of Vasant and Company, died of COVID-19. Books. Indian cricket coach Gurcharan Singh co-authored his memoir Pitching It Straight with MS Unnikrishnan. National Sports Day celebrated on 29th August. It is celebrated annually on 29th August to commemorate the birth anniversary of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. International Day Against Nuclear Test on 29th August. UP government launches Major Dhyan Chand Vijay Path Yojana to build roads to 19 international players' houses. The list includes Indian cricketers Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Praveen Kumar, Piyush Chawla and Mohammad Kaif. A road will be named after late cricketer and former cabinet minister Chetan Chauhan. These two questions are for quiz today. You have to stick your answer in the comment section. Thanks all.